Here's how you can add another Instagram account on your one device, so you can log in on two separate accounts. What you want to do is open up the Instagram app, and you want to make sure that you're over in your profile page. Once you're in your own profile page, there's going to be an option to click on the three lines on the top right hand corner, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Now there's going to be a couple of options that are going to be appear from here, and then you want to click on settings and privacy, which is the first option. Now, once you're in settings and privacy, there's going to be a lot of different options to choose from. You want to basically just scroll down to the really bottom of the page, and under login, it's going to say add account. Now, all you have to do is click on the add account option, and you can log into an existing Instagram account that has already been pre-made, or you can go ahead and create a new account and add that new account to this device. So you can choose however you want to do it. Go ahead and create a new one and then just sign up from there. Or if you have an existing account, click on that. Choose the existing account that you want to log in from. Click on the login button. And then just like that. And as you can see, I have so many different accounts on this one device.